Hey guys, today we're in OB, it's Steven Gonzalez, we're in Ocean Beach, and we're taking a tour of this amazing 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, just shy of 3,200 square feet home. It's not too far from the bay. It actually has a rooftop deck on it, so we're gonna take a look at that here. As you can see, enter here, it's more of the open concept with the large kitchen, dining area, formal living space. You can take a look at the kitchen over here. It's got the walnut cabinets with quartz. Hidden refrigerator there in the cabinets. Gas stove. There's a large pantry here for all your kitchen items, even has outlets. I think it's a running theme in this house. There's a lot of room for storage. You can take a look over here. There's even a really nice use of under the stairs. So you can have your coat closet or any kind of odds and ends you want to get out of the way. And I think this house is really, really spacious. The way it even has the living room here. This is the laundry room. Spacious hallway with hall bathroom. And this is the first guest bedroom here. And it has the attached bathroom around the corner with the full walk-in closet. It's a pretty spacious room. As we go further down the hallway, we have the next bedroom here. Nice and spacious, and it has upgraded features like this new modern fan, all the recessed lighting, and it'll definitely fit a king-size bed. So we're moving on now to the bathroom. Shared here for both bedrooms. Got the marble in the shower area. This is the third downstairs bedroom here. It has a very, very large walk-in closet. The walk-in closet's pretty large for this bedroom. This could be perfect for an aging family member or someone who's looking for some privacy with room to store a lot of items. You can see how wide this hallway is. Has room for all your awards or any display cases. It's definitely a good place to display and have your items. And down over here is the garage. It's a 2-car garage. And now we'll be going upstairs to take a look at the master bedroom and the rooftop decks. So you can see how wide and open the floor plan is. And now we'll be heading on up. This is the landing room, kind of like more of a private living room area up here. Very spacious, right off the master suite, and even has an office area up here, which is perfect for the live-work balance. The whole area is just very relaxing, very tranquil. This can be your private little oasis out here. And this door leads to the main decks, the rooftop decks, but we'll be heading up there after we get a tour of the master suite. So come on this way for a look. Very large and spacious master bedroom. Can fit a king. You have room for sitting area. Any large furniture or other items can definitely fit in the space. Upgraded features like this big, massive industrial look fan. And you're gonna love this large walk-in closet. It's almost qualifies as a bedroom in some places. It's so massive. A lot of possibilities for that. Let's take a look here at the master bathroom. Has a soaker tub, marble walls, high-end shower, dual sinks. It's a very luxurious, very inviting bathroom. What do you think about the master bedroom and bathroom combination? Pretty sweet, aren't they? You can definitely entertain, relax. This house pretty much has it all. And you can come just relax here in your master suite and not have a care in the world, especially after a long day at the beach. So come on in with me. We're going to go take a look at the decks. Can excuse the mess, but this is the first kind of deck area out here. So with this, I mean, you can have all your parties, you can have all your entertaining space. All your privacy here. Now let's go on up and take a look at the rooftop deck. This is definitely the place you want to come relax and entertain. Rooftop deck for all your friends, private dinners, hanging out. I mean, from here you can see the ocean, you can see La Jolla, you can see kind of the peaks of the OB area out there. We literally have a 360-degree view here. It's just amazing. It's truly an entertainer's house here in the heart of OB. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, just about 3,200 square feet. If you want to come take a private look, give me a call, Steven Gonzalez, 619-886-6833, and I'll talk to you soon.